It's Rex here from Lotus 7 New Zealand and 4AGE New Zealand. Okay, I want to talk about engine check lights. Look here. Because I run a Lotus 7, I don't have a check light in my dash. So I got a piece of LED strip and I put it on the ECU, and the ECU earths the engine check light. So all you got to do is put 12 volts on one side and let the engine check pin on the ECU earth it. Now, I hooked up a little switch here on my Toyota. It bridges T and E1. Now watch these blue lights. 1, 2, 3, 4 long, 5 long, and 1, 2 short. It cycles around, it'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long and 1, 2 shorts. Okay, 52 for a 4AGE black top 20 valve as a knock sensor. It looks like this. Okay, it's taken me a week to work this out. This is a knock sensor for a 4AGE black top. You cannot use a silver top one, it has a different plug on it. Okay, it's an 1.16 inch around the outside, and it doesn't have a washer, and you just put a large socket on it and you undo it. You can Google where it is, but it's underneath the 4 throttle bodies. Just undo it like that, right? Now I want to show you, I'm going to turn the key off, turn the engine check off, and I'll be back in a minute. I'll just put the wire back on the engine check, on the knock sensor. Okay, so on my car, I have an isolating switch, identical to taking the battery terminal off. If I undo that, what I like to do is reach in here and turn the headlights on. Then the headlights drain all the static electricity out of the ECU, right? It takes 10 seconds to reset the ECU. So a few seconds go by, it's about 10 seconds. Turn it on again, let's go back inside the car. Okay, so again, key on. Engine check light is solid during a key on without engine going. And I push down my T and E1 switch, it just bridges the T and the E1 and the diagnostic terminal. And on a 4AGE black top, you get a constant flashing like that when there is no fault code. Alright, so now I know when I drive the engine fault code has gone away, and after like 3 days of working it out, it was this bad boy. Hope this video helps anyone with a knock sensor problem. Code 52.